Well, you have to figure out what makes people subscribe. It's partly what they think about the brand. It's when they read certain stories, how they feel about those stories. But the main lever that we control is the paywall. And so figuring out where we use the paywall, how we set up the paywall, how we optimize the paywall to interact with our advertiser and inventory, how we tell people the features of The Atlantic once they subscribe to The Atlantic, how we get them back, how we get them to renew. There's basically a giant math problem where you want to put friction in front of people who are likely to subscribe. You don't want to put a paywall in front of people who are not likely to subscribe. You want to make sure with each person, you are giving them things that make them satisfied with their subscription, so they're likely to return. You want to make the subscription process as fast and efficient as possible. Each one of those steps, extremely complicated. There are hundreds of questions embedded in each of them. So my job, my 2 years as CEO so far, has been to improve that. And we've seen incredible growth, economic benefits to the publication, and I hope it will lead to its long-term health.